Alright, so we're here at the Mexico Pavilion. We're gonna do a little bit of eating and drinking around the world. Probably not a whole lot, because we have at the San Angel restaurants. They're all called San Angel. But we're going to the fancy of the fancy one on the inside, where you sit down and the Three Caballero boat comes near you. So here we're gonna get a little drink called the Oaxacan Sweetheart. So this is what we're getting: Oaxacan Sweetheart, dos hombres, reposado, mezcal, lemon juice, orange blossom honey, and palm salt rim. We'll see how that tastes. Oh, that looks good. It's got the little salt rim, pollen salt.
What'd you get, Mark?
Honey stir. That was wonderful. Next we're here at Canada. Next on the tap is the beef tenderloin tip. Here we go. We got the beef tenderloin tips. That is heavy. There's a lot in there. There's only $7.75, and that's with no discounts. Which I will get my customer discount later on, but for now, that looks so good. So we're here in the France Pavilion. We're gonna get this croissant au fromage de chèvre. And we're gonna get the, they were out of the sparkling cantaloupe. We're gonna get that, so we're gonna go with the La Vienne Rose frozen slush. Looks good. Croissant de chèvre, fromage de chèvre. Some kind of rose drink, I already forgot, but it looks good. We'll give it a shot.